Unveiling New Worlds, Mastering Setting and World Building Through Dialogue and Action. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on mastering English creative writing skills. Today, we're going to dive into a very exciting topic: revealing setting and world-building details through dialogue and action. That might sound a bit complicated, but fear not. We'll break it down into digestible sections and practice together. So, grab your pens, papers, or keyboards, and let's get started. First, let's briefly remind ourselves what setting and world building are. The setting is where and when your story takes place, like a city in the present day or a distant planet in the future. World building, on the other hand, is the process of creating a believable world with its own rules, cultures, and characters. It's especially important in genres like fantasy and science fiction. Now that we've refreshed our memory, let's dive into the main topic. Dialogue and action are two critical tools writers use to unveil their story's setting and world building. Through these elements, we can subtly reveal details about the world without resorting to long, descriptive paragraphs, making the story more engaging and dynamic. Let's start with how we can use dialogue to reveal setting. Consider the following sentences. 1. Could you pass the scones, please? Robert asked, adjusting his bowler hat. 2. Hand me that bottle of water, Jane gasped, wiping the desert sand off her goggles. From the dialogue and small actions, we know the first setting is likely somewhere in England and quite formal, perhaps a tea party. The second setting, however, is in a desert, suggesting a more adventurous, harsher environment. Next, let's look at how action can reveal world building. For example, 1. As the Council of Elves began their chant, a luminescent vine sprouted from the sacred seed, swirling upwards towards the mystical moon. 2. The android inserted the memory chip into his processor, downloading centuries of human history in milliseconds. In the first sentence, the actions of the elves and the magical vine growth reveal a fantastical world. The second sentence, on the other hand, implies a futuristic, possibly dystopian world where androids can access human history. And there we have it. Today we learned how to use dialogue and action to reveal setting and world building, making our stories more engaging and immersive. Remember, subtlety is key. Your readers are detectives. Let them uncover the clues about your world. Keep practicing, and I can't wait to see the worlds you create. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on mastering English language skills. Happy writing, and see you in the next video.